Hello people, today I'm gonna show you how to make a teleporter in Roblox Studio. Let's start. So yeah, let's start. First of all, gonna add a part that will be our teleporter. I'll make it 4 by 4 by 4 and I'll make it a bit smaller. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. That will be our teleporter A. I'll add some sparkles. Sparkles, yeah, nice. And teleporter B. Oh yeah. So yeah, we have our two teleporters. I'll just make a folder real quick. Folder. I'll call it teleporters. Oh yeah, I have to call this B, and I'll put B and A to the teleporters folder. So yeah, let's start scripting. Add a script to a teleporter. I'll call it teleport, and let's start scripting. So yeah, local TP pose equals game.workspace.teleporters.b.c frame. Okay. No script dot parent dot touched. So this is gonna fire whenever a player touches this block. Hit. Also, don't worry, this model will be available in Workspace. I'll send a link to you. Hit dot parent find first child humanoid. There. So yeah, we basically have the position of the another teleporter. So you can set this to whatever you want, but it has to be a C-frame. So player will teleport to this position. Let's make that happen, I guess. Local player character equals head.parent.humanoid. So we're basically this value will equal the player that touched the block. Yeah, so head.parent.humanoid. Actually, no, head.parent. So yeah. Now we're gonna teleport the player character to the TP position. So player character set primary but C frame TP pose. I'm gonna actually add a debounce so it doesn't lag. You can set this weight to basically any value you want, just debounce, right? Pretty simple. So, yep. I'll just anchor it. Let's test it. Let's test it. Okay. So, yep. Here we go. Actually, I would actually add some value so we don't spawn in the teleport B but on it, so we don't glitch or something. I'm just thinking, how would I do that? I'll try it. Vector3 dot new 0 3, I guess, and 0. Let's try this value. No errors. And as you can see, I spawn on the auto teleport. Pretty easy, right? Yep. So here we go, like this, we've made a simple teleporter in Roblox Studio. I hope you guys liked the video. If you like it, then, subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.